Reporting a bug in Jira involves creating a detailed issue that outlines the problem so it can be tracked and resolved. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account with the necessary permissions to create issues. Navigate to the project. Go to the project where you want to report the bug. Select the relevant project from the Projects drop-down menu. Create a new issue. Click on the Create button located at the top of the Jira interface. In the Create Issue dialog, select Bug as the issue type. This ensures that the issue is categorized correctly. Enter bug details, summary, description, priority, assignee. Set additional fields. Complete any additional fields required by your project's configuration, such as components, affected versions, or environment details. Create the bug. Click the Create button to submit the bug report. The issue will now appear in the project's issue tracker and can be managed and resolved according to your team's workflow.